We will use a plastic trim remover tool like this and we'll punch in the tool on the corner right there. Notice it's pulled out from here. Now we'll punch it from the other edge. Be careful while punching in the tool because we do not want to break the tabs of the window switch cover itself. Now we'll punch in the tool from the armrest corner. There it is, just like that we were able to take it out completely. Behind, notice there are two plugs, one right here and the other one right there. We have to pull out both of those plugs. Now you notice there's that tab right there. We'll have to press and hold that tab and then pull the plug outwards. First plug is taken out. Similar way we'll take out the second plug right here. We'll have to press and hold this tab and then pull the plug outwards. Both plugs taken out. This separates the complete window switch just like that. Behind the master window switch, notice there's that screw right there and we will need a Phillips screwdriver to take that screw outwards. There's that screw taken out. Now what we will do is we will use a tool like this and we'll punch in the tool on the corner of the door panel from right here. We'll slide in the tool in that corner and once the tool is in position, then we will just pull out the door panel using that tool. There it is, the door panel is pulled out. Also make sure we pull out the door from the other side. Making sure it's pulled from the middle as well. There it is. Also make sure it's pulled from the middle of other side. Just like that. Once the door panel is pulled out from all over the edges, then we will just grab the door panel and slide it upwards. And just like that, you would notice the door panel is taken out. That is how we take out the door panel. In case if you want to put back the door panel, just reverse the steps of takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.